Yes. We got another one. Let's do the notorious cold start. Running strong. I gotta get that clear wrap put on here, put on the fender, so that way it doesn't get damaged. Let's go, guys. Welcome to the Inspired Moto channel, guys. I'm on the Kawasaki Ninja H2. I gotta build up the excitement, you know what I mean? We gotta make this channel super exciting. It's me, Wealth, and I hope you guys are taking care of yourself and stay inspired. And the inspirational messages today is to believe in yourself and to visualization, you know? Believe in yourself and visualize oh, okay, I can't speak right. Visualizations is very important, because if you can visualize yourself accomplish something, that means on a quantum level you already accomplished it, you know what I mean? I just had a thought. The inspirational message today is to free your mind. Free your mind. Like, as I was getting a little stressed out, trying to like figure out where I was going, because I got lost. And I was like, maybe I should just relax and like free my mind. So I was like, I'm gonna relax, just free my mind and not worry too much. Because when I started worrying, I started stressing. And when I started stressing, I was like building up anxiety, and like sometimes you can make some poor choices, you know, poor decisions if you are like, you know, worrying too much, you know what I mean? So make sure you free your mind and just go with the flow. So I don't even care where I'm going right now, I'm just gonna go with the flow. Woo! Actually, it's nice out here. It's actually not that bad out here. It's a nice park over there. The streets are nice, the buildings are nice. I'm sure I saw a couple of really cool restaurants where it was packed with people. So I'm sure they have like some really good food or something. And I see a lot of people walking around this area too. So it's like a pretty popular area. Good vibes here. Definitely. Smell good too. But anywho, let's get back to the inspirational messages, guys. The message is to believe in yourself and visualizations. As I was saying earlier, you know, if you believe in yourself, you can pretty much accomplish anything, because you're like the enemy of yourself, you know what I mean? Like, you're basically battling yourself every day, really. The only person that you're really chasing and battling is this guy's giving me a thumb up. That's so cool. People are so nice, man. Like, you just want to like believe in yourself, because if you like believe in yourself, good thing will happen to you. And like, the only person that you really like going against and like chasing and battling is yourself, really. Like, I noticed that I was just like stressing out, but the only person that was stressing me out was myself. I was like, what am I doing? What am I doing to myself? So I gotta just stay relaxed, chill out, and appreciate everything, be grateful for everything. And oh my god, there was a pothole. Not a pothole, but like the road was not capable. What the hell? The roads out here are terrible. see the guy on a bike. Oh shit, is that a KTM? You don't have to be dominated by your thoughts, you know what I mean? Like, you don't have to let your thoughts dominate you, you know? You are the creator of your thoughts. Like, you have the power to reject any negative thoughts. And you have the power to overcome any negative thoughts, you know? Thoughts are just like, some people would say they're like clouds passing by, or you can say like thoughts are basically like, sometimes I feel like my thoughts are not mine, they're like coming from somewhere else. I feel like our brain is like a receiver, and it's just receiving thoughts from like our surrounding. It's like a downloading, you know, piece of machine. And you know, sometimes you don't have to believe in your thoughts, you know what I mean? Because your thoughts are not you though, you know? Don't identify with your thoughts, because it's not who you are, you know? Really, it's not really who I am when I really think about it. I'm like, my thoughts are really not who I am. Like, it's really like constructed entity that is like live in you. Like, that the entity that has been like building up all those thoughts is that, like, I think it accumulates from like negative thinking. From negative thinking, you accumulate like negative thoughts, and then like it build up into like a little entity that lives within you, and it comes back up sometimes. I feel like that, and it's like sometimes when mine comes back up, like I can see it, like I can actually like feel it, you know what I mean? And I'll think back, I'm like, wait a minute, are these my thoughts, or are these like thoughts that my identity created? You know what I mean? Like, I'm not sure if it's making any sense, but yeah, I'm currently just riding. Honestly, I don't even know where I'm going. Like, I'm freeing my mind right now. Free my mind, let it fly, let it fly. It's actually not bad. I mean, once you realize that you can let go of your mind and just like be like whatever. Oh, like I'm just riding around now because I was supposed to go to a Corvette car meet, but it didn't look like there was a lot of people there, and maybe I should have went, but maybe I'll come back later.